Welcome back to MVP Garage. We are back with the new review of MVP Garage. Before start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. 2025 Honda Civic. Premium features, ride quality, and highway test. The 2025 Honda Civic remains a popular choice, offering a combination of practicality, efficiency, and an enjoyable driving experience. This year, it introduces refreshed styling and a new hybrid variant, making it an even more attractive option for those looking for a well-rounded compact car. These updates help secure its place on the editor's choice list and the prestigious 10 Best list once again. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of the Civic Hybrid. It features a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors, producing a combined 200 horsepower. This setup ensures smooth acceleration and a well-balanced ride, while fuel efficiency is impressive, reaching up to 49 miles per gallon in combined driving. For those who prefer a non-hybrid model, Honda now offers only one engine choice. It is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 150 horsepower, delivering reliable performance with excellent fuel economy. Buyers can choose between a sedan or hatchback body style. The non-hybrid version is available in LX and Sport trims, while the hybrid comes in Sport and Sport Touring trims. A manual transmission is no longer offered for the hatchback, making it exclusive to the high-performance Civic C and Civic Type R models. On the road, the Civic provides a responsive and engaging driving experience. The hybrid version accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds, making it quicker than the Civic C. Meanwhile, the non-hybrid model requires 8.9 seconds to reach the same speed. Despite the differences in acceleration, both versions offer a well-balanced ride, precise steering, and excellent handling, making them enjoyable for everyday driving. Fuel efficiency remains one of the Civic's strongest attributes. The hybrid version achieves an estimated 50 miles per gallon in the city, 47 miles per gallon on the highway, and 49 miles per gallon in combined driving. In real-world conditions, the Sport Touring Hybrid sedan reached 47 miles per gallon on the highway. The non-hybrid Civic delivers an estimated 32 miles per gallon in the city, 41 miles per gallon on the highway, and 36 miles per gallon in combined driving. Inside, the Civic features a well-designed cabin with modern styling and high-quality material.